For this video, we're going to solve x squared minus 24 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation because your highest variable exponent is 2. So with solving quadratic equations, the first thing you can do is determine if you can or cannot use the square root method. Using the square root method, you can only have one variable squared, and that exists in this problem. We only have one variable squared. So we can use that method. Probably going to be the quickest way of solving this one, although you can use the quadratic formula to solve this, but square root method is going to be much easier. So with the square root method, the first thing you need to do is isolate that squared term. So we need to move everything else to the other side of the equal sign. So just add a 24 to both sides. That's going to give us x squared equals a positive 24. Once your squared term is isolated, then you're going to take the square root of both sides. Now, if you insert an even rooted radical, so if you insert a square root, you have to insert a plus minus as well. So don't forget that plus or minus, or you'll be losing an answer. Okay, x is by itself. We do have this solved. However, you need to make sure that you reduce all of your radicals. So let's take the square root of 24 and make sure that we can reduce that down. So whatever method you use for reducing, you want to go ahead and use. So my method, I'm going to break this down into all prime factors. Okay. Square root of 24, I'm going to rewrite as the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then since our index is 2, we can extract a pair of 2's from the inside, producing 1 on the outside, leaving us with 6 on the inside. So here, our final answer is going to be negative 2 square root of 6. And positive 2 square root of 6. You can write this shorthand if you want as well and just write it as plus minus 2 square root of 6. Either is fine. They're both the same thing. So either one of those sets of answers is going to work for you.